what's going on, y'all? Today we have a DIY for the Dakota. We're going to be putting on some Nerf bars because I'm pretty short. Jarek isn't the tallest either. Hey, Jarek. And honestly, we're having a bit of trouble getting this crap. Right? So, I mean, we have the rears and fronts that kicking into this. And, you know, it doesn't look that bad, but for us short kings, it's not, because in the long pants, I will literally like, okay. I will literally try my best to like get up and like, check this out. I can like rip my pants probably trying to get into this sometimes. And oh, little added bonus, I'm adding a little strap here too. You guys will see it in a sec, but it's like a little like paracord strap that you can just grab onto and you know, pull yourself up. So I think with a Nerf bar right here and a strap, we should be in business. So let's get to work. Okay, first order of business is undoing these right here. These, okay, I broke them earlier and they're a little loose. You can see it right here moving already. There's that one. There is that one right there. Right there. And one more somewhere back here. There it is. Okay, right there. So, yeah, they're literally just, they're ready to go. I'm glad they didn't fall off while I was driving. But, yeah, they're pretty much ready to unmount. Those, I used an 18 mil ratchet on, so I'm just going to finish that job off. And, yeah, we'll get to mounting the actual step in a sec. Alright, y'all, here's the instructions. What are these? I seriously don't know what to do with this. This is one of those low toner situations. And then it's not even like right there. I'm supposed to what? I have no idea what that says. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Alright, y'all, so since those instructions make no sense, we're just going to try to figure this out ourselves. It looks like these more right-angled ones are going to be for the fronts, and then these big boys are for the rears, and I guess it's just up to you to kind of figure out which goes where. So let's get to work. Okay, so quick update. We got this mounted. So you can see right there how it's set up there. The short side is up top, the long side is on the bottom. What we had earlier, right, so basically this is the orientation, right? So the shorter side is on top, the longer side here is on the bottom. What we had was, it was flipped. It was the long side on top and the short side on the bottom. I don't know why we thought that was a good idea, but yeah, it is so much better this way. Long on top, short on bottom. And this bolted up no problem. This one was actually really, really easy to do. Right, so the best way that I explain this is there's a hole right here. Right, so this is like kind of a staggered setup, right, where the hole's not right in the middle. And basically what you want is the hole on the inside, not the outside. Right, so not towards the outer edge toward the rear tire. You want that hole on the inner edge towards the rest of the Nerf bar. But now that we've gotten this figured out, I'm gonna go hop over to the other side, and this should be a lot quicker. Here's the bolts that we're using to mount it to the, mount the Nerf bar to the bracket. Gonna grab some lock washers while we're at it. And that's about it. I don't understand what anything else is for. Just putting that out there. If anyone knows what this stuff's for or how to use these properly, please, please, please let me know. They're supposed to be like support brackets. Yeah. Passenger right front support, passenger rear support. No idea how to use them. There's no holes for them, so I'm just not going to worry too much about them. But okay, let's get to work. You got it, Jerk? I believe in you. There you go. All right, there you have it, folks. It's done. Test it out, Jake. Nice. You like it? Hey, you dropped your registration, Jake.
Oh shit.
All right. Oh,
Looks good.
that looks solid.
Shut it back there.
Yep. One more time, one more time. Check that out, check that out. Boom. All right. That actually looks really nice. I know you can't really see it too well, but looks really good. And that's how much it sticks out, by the way. So just enough for the little, like the surface, the pad, to show up, but definitely not in the way of anything. So this is so nice. Let's try it. Okay. Boom. Okay. I like it. All right, and there you have it, y'all. Knows what these brackets are. That is how you do a Nerf bar install on a 3rd gen Dakota. I'm trying to figure out how to actually mount these support brackets. Like, they just don't make sense to us, right? There's these long ones, there's these short ones. Maybe I'll watch another YouTube video, maybe get an answer for it, but if not, they're going in the trash. I guess I added to my hardware collection too. Got some nuts, some smaller washers. What else did I get? Whatever these things are. I have no idea what these are supposed to be, but they're welded. Right, it's like a plate welded to a to a bolt. No idea what this is supposed to go to. I'm gonna guess this is for maybe like a more general kit, but no idea. So,
The next day.
All right, y'all. Just got the headrest out of there. Oh, that was not fun. Okay, so basically there's this little tiny hole here. Let me see if I can get a better angle of it for you. So right in here, there's a little tiny hole. And yep, there it is. You can see it right there. I stuck a paper clip through. Apparently there's like a latch unlock type of setup in there. And I stuck this in, unlocked it, and then pressed on this and then pulled up, and the headrest actually came out. So what I'm doing is I'm installing these things right here, little paracord, like headrest grab handles. Let me go ahead and open the package up. All right, here we have it. Pretty sturdy. Honestly, this feels nice, right? I think this is gonna be a nice firm grip for people to have. Yeah, right there. I think this is pretty awesome. And literally all I'm gonna do, oh, let me hold this up here really quick. All I'm gonna do is just loop it in through here. Oops. Loop it in through here, and then loop it in through here, if I can. Don't tell me this is the hardest part of the install. There you go. Okay, looped it on both sides and slide back in place. If it'll let me. Okay, pull my paper clip out. Boom! Grab handles. Oh, this is great. I think that's gonna go really well with the step I just put in yesterday. Yeah, so people can step on there and then grab onto this. Oh, this is so sick. Can you imagine sitting behind the driver and just tugging at this? Oh, got it. All right, so glad this paper clip headrest is out.
Works.
Oh, thank God. Okay, now I just gotta get the paper clip out. Sick. Okay. Oh, this is pretty awesome. But I like this. Let's go test it out. All right. So the goal, ideally, is to step on this, grab this to pull yourself up, and just boom, easy access. Oh, this is so sick. Okay, I'm so glad this project's done. I didn't think, honestly, I was going to be able to get the headrest off. But the step plus the headrest, I think, makes a really, really, really good time for passengers to get in without ripping their pants, or me ripping my pants, or ripping anything else for that matter. All right, y'all. One more quick walkthrough of what we did between yesterday and today to make this truck a little bit more livable and a little bit more accessible for us short people. So, we put this in here right here. Right, so we used the included hardware and the included bracket to mount this 3-inch Nerf bar. Came out pretty good. I ended up not using this middle mount point right here. If anybody knows what that's for, like if there's one of those extensions that I'm supposed to be using but not, like a support bracket or something, please let me know. But otherwise, feels really sturdy. Yep, and figured out again how to mount this thing up. Easy peasy. And I did that because I want to be able to get back here, and I want other people to be able to get back here. But yeah, before they would have to like literally step from the ground up into this, and this thing's lifted a good 3 inches on blocks with some 33s. So it's a step for some short people. But now that we have the step, you can just step on here, grab this, pull yourself right in. Oh man, this has got to be the best investment ever, honestly. These straps are really, really nice, really useful. I got them for like, I think $15 on Amazon, and the step was on eBay for like $130. So definitely cannot complain. Oh, this is going to be great. I can't wait to have friends back here. I can't wait for my friends to be able to get back here, I guess, to begin with. And, you know, just drive around and, yeah, do so safely. But anyways, thank you all for watching this quick DIY. You know, I had a lot of fun working on this. Honestly, it's really nice that this thing is a little higher off the ground than the other cars. So, you know, it helps, right? It makes, you know, installing a Nerf bar a lot easier. But yeah, had a ton of fun. You know, gonna hopefully keep having more projects for this truck. I'm trying to think of what else I need to do, but yeah, I'm gonna keep the content coming for y'all. But until next time, peace.